My brother and my sisters are on our door. This is a beautiful sister, Lamina Tusanko, the one and only. The original, no duplicates. Any other Lamina Tuna, a carbon copy. My brothers and my sisters, and just a quick one. This video where I make, I call them fake friends. These days, there is no loyalty in friendship. And you, my sister, where they look me, you, my brother, where they look me. I want me to feel free alone and share this video. Not to everybody where then you circle. Then are you corner. Not to everybody where then a boat with you feel say they roll with you. Some people then go then a boat with you, but guess what? Then they drill a hole. Now the boat. The friends then these days, they are too fake. Why make you say this person are you BFF? This person are you best to? But behind and back, you they talk nasty things about her. Oh yeah. My brothers and my sisters. If only we can turn to a mosquito. We hang. And now we hear waiting this with so-called friends. This with so-called BFF. Waiting and they sit down, they talk about we behind we back. And I go come on fine. You, my sister, where they look me. You, my brother, where they look me. Where you know, say you know then are somebody in corner. You just then are in circle. Just stay there. No pretend. No pretend at all. Some of we they even make phone calls about who body they. We good friends them. We they damage them character. We they talk nasty things about them. That is wrong. If you know say this person are you your BFF, now you ride and die chick, or now you best friend, now you body, now you bra, left for the damage and behind him back. Left for the say nasty things behind him back. Then when you see her, you begin laughter, you begin hugging here and there. You, my sister, where they look me, you, my brother, where they look me. If you feel say they love you, no, they don't love you. They don't even like you. Because love, it begin from like. Somebody get for like you before it they love you. They don't like you. Then go come around you, then go kiss you, then go this, then go argue, then go that. But they damaging you behind your back. And me, Lamina Tusankona, that one day I no like. It gets into me. It gets under my skin. Too many snakes crawling around. Too many snakes. Lot of people, they are snakes in human flesh. Yes. Some people, they sabi pretend well. And you, my sister, where they look me. You, my brother, where they look me. When God they bless you, you circle the small. When God they bless you. So when you see you circle the small, no cry. No ask questions. Why? Because when God they bless you, people then they come on your life. People then they go away from you. Then they run away from you. Because you know why? You happiness. You blessing. They torment them. They no one for stay around you for celebrate with you. Most of the time, people are not spread good news. Somebody don't school just no pass board exam. Somebody get promotion just no in job. Somebody get good job just no. They no go celebrate her. They no go even announce her. Instead, they go muntu and they go sit. They go pretend as if they don't know. And God not like that. God not like ugliness. You, my sister, where they watch me. You, my brother, where they watch me. When God they bless you, you circle, they become smaller. And when you circle, they become smaller. Don't ask why. Embrace them. Glad. Because and God they bless you. When God bless you, you circle the small. You, my sister, where they look me. You, my brother, where they look me. You, they say this person are you bra. This person are you ride and die chick. But you, they say so many nasty things about her. Behind him back. Why? But you know one thing, I am not surprised. I am not surprised. It's all out of jealousy. Out of jealousy. It's all out of jealousy. When I go back to the Bible and read about Cain and Abel, when God bless Abel, what thing Cain do? He kill Abel. He kill Abel. So now that one then they go on right now. Yes. Jealousy. People then can say, oh, not just jealousy. No, it's a demonic spirit. It's a satanic spirit. Jealousy can lead to witchcraft. So you, my sister, where they look me, you, my brother, where they look me. Be careful. Be careful. Not to everybody where they laugh to you. You feel say they like you. They don't love you. They don't even like you. Because somebody can for like you before they love you. And when they do that, kiss it and they, when I get for stop. If you not like somebody, don't pretend. Don't pretend. When they make like so, when they not in corner, but when not then in corner. When I just then in circle. When they make phone calls. Say dirty things about your so-called friends, your so-called body, your so-called BFF, your so-called bra. Why? Why? But I can tell now one thing. My brothers and my sisters, when I not get mad, when I not get angry, are the people the way they jealous now. Because it's so simple. When somebody jealous you, it means it want to like you. It want be like you. Yes, it not satisfied the way we God make her. It not satisfied with what he gets. What you get there, he wants. So it is jealous you. Yes. So you, my sister, where they look me, you, my brother, where they look me. When people then can say, oh, not just jealousy. No, it's not just jealousy. Jealousy is a demonic spirit. Now a satanic spirit where they lead to witchcraft. Yes. People are not they celebrate people and we good thing meet them. But when bad thing meet them, then guess what? Then they celebrate. And this WhatsApp we don't come. People and they abuse WhatsApp for spread bad news. Yes. But one thing we I get for say is don't pay them no mind. Don't pay them no mind. Do you. Be yourself. When God they bless you, your circle they become smaller. Don't ask questions. If you been used to call Amina to Sanko, if they pick up. If you miss you call, if they call you back, now you they call Amina to Sanko, you know they return you call, you see you call, you know they pick you call. Guess what? Don't ask no questions. It means God they bless you. When God they bless you, God they pull all the negative people away from you. It's simple. Be careful. You, my sister, where they look me. You, my brother, where they look me. Not to everybody where they not you circle like you. Not to everybody where they not both they roll with you. They don't like you. Forget about the word love. Because somebody can like you before he love you. People, they know they celebrate people them. When good thing they meet them, they don't celebrate them. Now when bad thing they meet them, then they celebrate. WhatsApp don't come. We they spread bad news. Bad news, now some feel like for spread bad news. Look what audio they sent to me today. Oh, let me not to. Hey, they send this kind of audio. I don't want to know. I don't want to know. This is not free world. The person who make the audio we talk about Lamina to Sanko, may God bless them. I don't want to know. People they like for spread bad news. Then they take that audio, then now they send them forum to forum, WhatsApp to WhatsApp. But guess what? Papa God say, do not touch my anointing. Would that God don't bless? No go near him. Yes. People they know they celebrate people the way good they meet them. They know they do it. So you, my sister, where they look me, you, my brother, where they look me, if you see, say, you circle, they become smaller, embrace it. Don't get angry, don't get mad, don't ask questions. It means, Papa God, they bless you. When God, they bless you, you circle, they become smaller. There are a lot of snakes crawling around, a lot of fake people. They will come around you, you feel, say, they like you, they don't like you. When I sweating Judas do Jesus, he kiss him. So not to all kiss, na real kiss. Some kiss and they can't kiss you down for talks and in this. When I feel free for share this video. Lot of fake friends, lot of snakes crawling around in human flesh. When you circle, they become smaller, embrace it. Not to everybody where then you circle me say, then you corner. When I feel free to share this video.